Hello everyone, greetings from Pepperl Fuchs, India. We are delighted to invite you to the first IED Automation Roadshow event in Vadodara. This event offers benefit of live demo of the latest product and APL technology with Pepperl Fuchs. The roadshow will be held on 6th June. On Friday at Grand Mercure Surya Palace in Vadodara. This is your opportunity to see us in action, learn about its benefits and ask any questions if you may have. This event will also give you an opportunity to network with industry leaders, exclusive product demonstrations. Please register on below link for registration. Look forward for your valuable presence in the event. Thank you.